Ever wondered how Nicki Nicole would look in a realistic colored pencil drawing? Today, we'll find out. The result will wow you. For the first layer, I used some markers from the Ohuhu brand, so I already have the base for the skin and the coloring process will be faster. If I were using colored pencils, I would have to do several layers or apply a lot of pressure, and that would tire out my hand. I have to keep in mind the lights and shadows so that the face has some volume and looks realistic. The key to this type of drawing is patience, doing each part slowly and paying attention to the reference photo. Coloring the hair is easy since Nicki Nicole's hair in this photo is black. After finishing the entire first layer with marker, I can start using the colors. In this case, I'm using the Faber-Castell Super Soft brand. Without applying too much pressure, I use colors similar to the base to blend the transitions between light and shadow a bit so the coloring looks more even and the marks aren't too visible. With a fine-tipped pen, I do the details of the eye outline and the eyelashes, and with a gray, I draw some parts of the hair that stand out like those highlights. I also draw some stray hairs with the same fine-tipped pen. What I love the most is adding highlights like the shine in the eyes. How would you rate me from 1 to 10? If you enjoyed this Nicki Nicole drawing, please like and watch the video appearing next. I know you'll love it.